Mr. Crypto Web 3 Gaming.
Good day, Crypto Gamer. Today I'm sharing with Hamster Combat minigames or the psychology puzzle. Let's go. Click play this one. Okay, play. And there. Just wait because we have loading, 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 loading. Here we go. The first one, just move this green, move the red, move this key, move this red, and after that move this green, move this red, move this green, move this red, and then move this green, move this red, two of them, and then move the key, move the green, and move this red, move the green, and move this three red, and get the key. Okay, puzzle solve mga ka-crypto. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.